A few things about underlayment you might not know about. So let's get into it. So underlayment that is used under our standing seam or under our tile roofing is always going to be peel and stick underlayment. Peel and stick high temp underlayment to be exact. So what's the reason for underlayment? Well, its main purpose is to protect the substrate to which your metal roofing is attached to. If what your metal roofing is attached to is compromised, there is risk of what we call a blow off, which, like the name suggests, the metal will blow off your house. Why? Why would it blow off your house? Well, because the substrate to which it's attached to has been compromised. How does it get compromised? Well, in the air, no matter where you are, there's a certain level of humidity in the air. That humidity, wherever air exists, is where that humidity exists, where that water vapor exists. With metal roofing, there is an air gap between the exterior layer of metal roofing and your roof deck. When water vapor infiltrates a building, the underlayment is there to protect the substrate from that humidity found in that airspace between your metal roofing and your roof deck. So why high temp? I had mentioned that earlier. Why high temp? Well, there's two different kinds. There's normal ice and water, and then there's high temp ice and water. High temp is what's used under metal roofing. Reason why we use high temp is because high temperature is a higher melting point. So on the back side of a peel and stick underlayment, there's that sticky stuff on the back, like tar almost. And what could happen with that is if you use the wrong kind of underlayment, metal roofing will generate so much heat that it could potentially melt that bitumen on the back of the underlayment. And I've seen a really bad case where in the soffit area, so in the overhang, all of these black little tar strings were starting to come through the soffit holes in the metal soffit. So that was the worst, one of the worst cases I've seen. So high temp, higher melting point, it can withstand the temperatures of that metal roofing heating up throughout the day and by the sun, and it won't liquefy, and it will maintain its protective properties. Click through this video if you want to know the truth behind why people think metal roofing is so noisy. Click through this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.